Welcome to Raj Pipe Industries, your trusted steel material dealer. We provide high-quality steel products like pipes, sheets, rods and beams for construction, manufacturing and industrial projects. With years of experience, we ensure reliable, durable materials that meet your project needs. Raj Pipe Industries presents high-quality SS square pipes, made from premium-grade stainless steel. These pipes offer superior strength, corrosion resistance and a clean, polished finish, making them suitable for a wide range of applications. Our SS square pipes are built to withstand extreme weather conditions, moisture and heavy loads, ensuring long-term durability with minimal maintenance. They are widely used in residential, commercial and industrial sectors for frameworks, railings, furniture, gates, support structures and interior or exterior design elements. With precise dimensions and excellent weldability, these pipes are easy to fabricate and install. Whether you're aiming for functionality, aesthetics, Raj Pipe Industries delivers SS square pipes that meet the highest standards of quality, reliability and performance. Trust us for steel solutions that combine modern design with lasting strength, perfect for projects where durability and appearance are equally important.